Okay. Gary, stay in here, bubs. It is 6:55. I'm fine. It's just so weird. Absolutely fine today. It just comes and goes so quick. Like, obviously I still got my cough. This one's poorly now. Aren't you, Bubby? She's gonna have her breakfast and then she's going back to bed. You feed the cats, Mika?
Yeah.
Oh, well done, Bubby. They're all eating their food. Fox is upstairs. He had a really good night's sleep, his best in a while, so hopefully we've got a good day with him. Ari is still asleep. I've got a lot of Christmas presents arriving in the next couple of days for someone. What do you want for your big Christmas present? What are you having?
My ears pierced.
Your ears pierced, aren't you? So, lots of your friends have had them done for a long time now, haven't they? Yeah. But her friends all had them done with the gun. And Daddy used to work in a piercer's, so he's always said not a chance with a gun. And our friend owns a studio, a tattoo studio and a piercing studio in Norwich called Factotum, our friend Joe. And they will pierce kids' ears over the age of 8 with consent. And how old are you?
8.
So she's having her ears pierced. We're going to book that today. Mummy's going to have her ears pierced as well, isn't she? So you can see what happens. Yeah. What are you going to make Daddy get pierced as well? They get to choose something for Daddy to get pierced as well at the same time. Ari is a bit gutted because she can't have hers done because she's obviously 7. So she has to wait till next year. But yeah. I'm going to have some coffee because I haven't had any in over 24 hours. Because of all the vomit. But I'll speak to you later and me and Mika will talk to you later on today. Excuse me, sir. Can I talk to you? Mr. Fox. Who has filled my shoes with toys?
Mika.
It wasn't you?
No.
Look at Mummy. Look at Mummy.
No.
Are you doing a lie? Are you doing a lie? Look. Look at yourself. You're lying. Look in there. Who's that? Lying boy. Who do you think filled him up with toys? I think it was Sausage Boy.
It was Mika.
I'm at the big Tesco and he is absolutely fucking hammering it down. And I've got an umbrella, but it's in the boot and I'm not sure if I can climb over and get it before I get out of the car so I don't get too soggy. But we shall see. This is like a challenge Annika kind of day because I need to do the big shop, go to Aldi and see if they've got Christmas frozen roasts in. It's 9:39 in the morning. I need to pick Fox up in 2 hours and 5 minutes and I am 25 minutes away from the nursery. So, wish me luck. Update. Still chucking it down. But I've done the big shop, done the Tesco shop, £140. But I did get a lot of Christmas stuff in there. I got like the Christmas roast. I'm gonna go and see if they've got another one in here because we definitely got me, Ben, the 3 kids, Ben's parents, his sister, possibly my mum and her friend Patricia as well. So I'd rather have more than enough. But we won't know with my mum until her kitchen's done. So we've literally got no idea. So it's better to be prepared. And I got the kids' advent calendars, some stocking fillers. I will work out when I do like a proper video on it. I'll work out how much was Christmas and how much was normal shopping. I saw a video the other day of someone making cabbage roll in a bowl. And I don't even like cabbage rolls, but it looks so good. And it just looks like health in a bowl. And I just need it. So I've got the stuff to make that. But we're now at Aldi. I'm going to go in. I need to get mozzarella. What else couldn't I get? I can't remember. I put it on my phone. There's a couple of things I couldn't get. So I'm going to go into Aldi now. What you got? Dippy egg. Yum. And Mika has. And Mummy has. But hers are in shot glasses. Because you've got all the egg cups. Is that so yummy? Good boy. Oh, wow. Thank you.
What all the buys?
You're doing the best cleaning ever.
All buys.
Yeah. A little bit more here, look. Little bit here.
Oh. Big bit here.
Yeah, you'll get them because the cats got their litter box out there and they keep jumping with the clay. But you wanted to clean, didn't you? I've been sorting in here, sorting bags, recycling, sorted out my pot lids, sorted out in here. Had to wash all the toys because someone weed on them. Someone weed on them. Someone weed on them and in my shoes. Didn't you, Gary? I don't know it was him, but I'm like pretty sure it was him. I'm trying to organise, make my window clear so I can put my Christmas decorations up. Trying to organise in here again because it just gets so messy so fast. And sorting out, this is all the crap that was on the window. So I'm trying to condense it into smaller because I don't need that out, like, and all this. Yeah, it's just a mess. Mika's just come down. She wanted a snack, so she's having hummus and cucumber and breadsticks. She's feeling much better. What you done?
Hair.
You hurt your finger?
Hair. And breadstick.
You want breadsticks?
Breadstick up there.
Or do you want a dunker?
Breadstick.
All clean. Just got a toothbrush in there. That was gross. All clear there. I put lunchbox stuff here and here. Pens here because I've got a bit of space. This is all like tea and coffee still, and then glasses. And then this is all had catwee in it, and then cat bowls. Anyone has any tips on how to stop cats pissing in the house, let me know, because like literally anything they get in, like if we leave like a toy tub open, they'll wee in it. And they've got 2 litter boxes outside. So I don't know whether we need more litter boxes. I don't know. But yeah, any tips, please let me know because it's so gross. Hey. Me and Ari just got back from her open day for her school next year. It was really fun. She got to do loads of activities and meet all the teachers, which was mega. We were there for like an hour and a half. It took way longer than I thought. But she had loads of fun. She got this. A bag of water, the water cycle. She made a lava lamp. Here's Gary. Oh, Gary. And he's gone. Down there is Ben. What are you doing? Oh no, here comes the Wiggy. Here comes the Wiggy. Big dog. Hey, it's 7:45. Ben has gone to football. I've just wrapped up one of his Christmas presents. I had to wrap it because it was too big. I had to put it under Mika's bed earlier to hide it. The girls are just brushing their teeth and Ari's doing a breather medicine. I've got my wrapping paper and I'm going to wrap up some of the kids' presents tonight so that they're wrapped and done. And then I'll make a list of what I'm wrapping so I know what I'm doing, she says. But yeah, that's it for today. It's been a really busy day. I've done like, where is it? I've done like 12,000 steps, considering yesterday I did about 400 all day. Feel amazing today. So woohoo! Blood test tomorrow. Hello. Yeah, you stay there, Ari, because she's naked. You ready for bed?
Yeah.
Right. Ari knows she's not allowed on the camera when she's naked. So she's doing this. Little weirdo. Yeah, I've got my blood test tomorrow. I think my mum's coming tomorrow. She's poorly because I made her ill last week. But yeah. Thanks for watching. I'll see you tomorrow.